If you have existing data in Google Cloud Storage that you want to use for model training, we provide an easy way to do so. Now, let's go through the process of connecting one to our Datature account. From your project main dashboard, select the Dataset tab. We are going to add a new set of doc images stored in our Google Cloud Storage now. Click the Connector tab, select the Google Cloud Storage option, type in your preferred connection name, copy your bucket name from your Google Cloud account, and any specific prefix if you want to sync a selective folder. Now, we need to set up the access and permission for our Google Cloud Storage. Copy the command provided, go to your terminal or IDE that has authenticated to your desired Google Cloud account, and run it. Next, we will need to update our CORS configuration. We have prepared a template in our developer documentations. Copy it and run the command in your terminal. This will create a file with necessary configuration info needed for our next step. Run the Google Cloud command to update your bucket with the configuration file that we have created earlier. After that, click Next and wait for the test connection to complete successfully. You can then click Sync Now, and after syncing is completed, you can see that we have successfully synced a new set of doc images from our Google Cloud Storage.